Yeah, so I'm cheating on eBay. But guess what? They drove me to it. Isn't that what everyone says? That it's eBay's fault? It's not your fault, it's eBay's fault. Actually, it is on this. Now, I'm not quitting eBay for a second. Nah, not one bit. But eBay drove me to it because of their VERO program. I know you guys have seen it. I know some of you guys got hit by it. I got hit by it once, and it's what made me look into other solutions of selling product. So about 2 months ago, I got hit with the VERO on Zumba after I had sold something out like 4 months before that. Um, I had sold Zumba before. I didn't even know they were in the VERO program. I don't know. They have like every single product is in the VERO program, really, if you look at it. So when I got that, anything I got Zumba related going forward, I moved over to Mercari. Because I'm like, hey, I've never tried that out. I'll put it on there. I didn't want to sell it local. I didn't want to meet someone on a $15, $20 item. So I started up on Mercari, and then I listed just anything that was Zumba, and I sold my first one in like 3 days. It was super quick. So for myself, I decided anything that I was selling Beachbody, which I know people are getting hit with Veros on there. Myself, fortunately, I've never got a Vero for Beachbody, and I've sold probably like 50, 80, 100 sets or something like that in the last year and a half, 2 years. So I've never been hit by it. So I've been fortunate, but I don't want my main source of revenue to get impacted by the Vero monster. So I decided going forward that I'm going to put all of my Beachbody stuff over to Macari, and it's a good way for me to test out the platform, but also just see like does it sell on there. And I've been really surprised by it. I put about like 6 or 8 items up there last weekend, and I had 4 of them sell in 3 days. I was really surprised like by how quick it was moving. And this is for an account that had one feedback at the time of me listing all those, and I had 4 of them get purchased within 3 days of listing. And I'm not lowballing anything. I'm offering free shipping on them, right? I still get covered under the 4.99 shipping or whatever Macari has for anything under a pound. But nothing special when it comes to pricing. Like I'm pricing actually probably higher than most of their market is when it comes to the product. Now, what I'm thinking about when it comes to Mercari is there's a lot of like hobby sellers on Mercari, and for myself, my pictures stand out. I put like more than the title in the description, so maybe that's what's standing out as well. And I also highlight on there that I'll ship next business day. So I know Mercari has a 3 day shipping time on there, but I think by myself highlighting that in there as well, it's moving product pretty quickly for me. So for the short term, it's gone really well for me. It's product's been moving. I've gotten good feedback already from people, and I've had really no issues of people really going back and forth when it comes to offers on there. Because for some reason, I guess you tell me, but offers are automatically turned on Mercari. I couldn't figure out how to turn them off if there was a way of doing it, but it seems like it's like automatically turned on. I don't know. You let me know. I'm a newbie when it comes to it, so let me know down below if there's a way to turn off those offers for me. Yeah, it's been great for me so far, and I'm thinking about adding more categories on there. Like I've heard mugs are good categories to sell on there from people online on Instagram showing their sales when it comes to mugs. I've had a buttload of mugs sitting on eBay for like a year. I don't think I've picked up a mug for at least over a year, and I just have a bunch sitting on there. And I was either thinking of one to liquidate it on just Facebook Marketplace if someone wants to buy them locally for $2 a mug, have at it. Otherwise, I think I'm going to put them on Mercari and test it out even more and see if it moves even quicker on there than it's been on eBay. And that may be a good way just to get that feedback up. And for those mugs, I'm probably going to price them around median range for the market and see how it goes. I don't know how mugs move on Mercari, but I'm going to look at their market prices and just price like right dab in the middle of where everyone else is pricing and just seeing how it works. So overall, with eBay pushing me over to Mistress Mercari, it's actually turned out pretty well for me. It's nice learning a new platform just slowly and seeing how it goes and seeing if I want to move any other categories that may sell better on there. I think just by having nice listings, it stands out from a lot of them that look like they just like threw it on like their coffee table and took a quick picture of one side of a DVD or something like that and put it up there hoping it would sell. So I think if you are currently an eBay seller and you haven't touched Mercari, you may have some good luck on there if you have like really good practices just of moving some items that, you know, maybe you don't want to put on eBay to be safe, like myself or VERO, or maybe there are some categories that sell a little bit higher than you would normally get when it comes to eBay, and because there's so much competition driving prices down right now on there. So hopefully this helped you out. Maybe try it out. I'm going to keep trying it out and I'll let you know how it works out for me. I'm definitely not moving all of my product over there, just items that I really don't want to get a strike on my eBay account. And I'm going to put that over on Mercari because really if something happens to my Mercari account, like I don't know if there's a VERO program or not, but if something ever happens to my account, like I'm not too worried because that's going to account for like 1% of my sales overall at this time. So thank you guys for joining me today. I will keep giving you guys updates on how I'm doing on Mercari and if anything is going well, and giving your tips down below because I have no idea what's going on there other than just, you know, posting real quick and just setting and forgetting it. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.